Hey guys, Rob Murphy from Holistic Healing Choices here. Now today, bit of a special sort of treat. What we're doing is we're actually having a look at the Chief organic range of beef jerky products that they have, as well as some of their collagen bars, their range of collagen bars that they have. So these are healthier alternatives to what else is out there in the market, being that most of it is organic beef product, grass-fed Aussie beef, and then the collagen stuff as well. So I throw it all around. I Quit Sugar approved. You got a 5-star health rating, if you think that's a good thing or not, as well as being a healthy alternative to what is out there in the market. So, what we've got here first is some of their little beef bars. Now these things are weird looking, to say the least. We'll pull one out here. You can see that they are just like a slab of meat. They are, yeah, a weird looking thing. So it comes in an original and with chili. So if we have a go of the original. That's actually not bad. It's not bad at all, actually. And it's a little bit sweet, though. It's an interesting flavour. You can tell it's meat, but it's like there's something to it. I like it, don't get me wrong. It's better than a lot of jerky bars that I've had before. And then if we have the one with chili. Okay. So, I figured out what the sweetness might be, just having a look at the ingredients on the back here. We've got organic grass-fed beef, 80%, which is, 80% of the bar, that's awesome. Amaranth cranberries as well. So the spicy one, there's a little bit of spice, not too much, it's not too bad. Most people should be able to handle that. Yeah, cranberries in this one as well. So, whether that's just to preserve it a little bit, because there's added salt, vinegar, okay, as well. Spices and lactic acid. So overall, if you're in a pinch, that one would be very good. A nice little lunch in a bar type of thing. So, happy with both of those. I can still feel a little bit of the spice, the chili from that one, but it's definitely not overpowering. If you had, say, 5 in a row, 5 of those bars, good luck. For one, would probably not be so great for your bowel, but then you might actually feel a bit of heat. But otherwise, that's pretty good. So now we're having a look at just their jerky. If we tip a bit out onto the table. So they do have like your little oxygen absorbers as well. Oh, wow. So with that already, rather than store-bought stuff, you can tell that this is actually meat. So you got a little bit of marbling in there. And yeah, you can see some of the fibre and all that in there as well. Taste-wise, that's what jerky should taste like. This is, I would say, just unseasoned or unflavoured. So here we've got 92% beef, coconut aminos, vinegar, salt and spices. Pretty plain tasting, but once again, pretty good. Pretty good. I enjoy that. Oh, and I should say, these are made in Australia from at least 95% Australian ingredients as well. So if we have a look, so for instance, the choc peanut butter bar is 27% Australian ingredients, but made in Australia as well. So they are Australian company, so if you're overseas watching this, you may not get it. So now trying the Biltong with chili. Oh, yum. Yeah, once again, like they're not, get that in front of my face, get it in camera. They're not like, stock standard cut sort of pieces. They are actual real bits of beef and you can see the muscle fibres on it. Tastes just like the original, just with that little bit of a burn though. Still pretty good. This one just has chili added to it. So that's their jerky range, and I'm quite happy with that. Or their Biltong range, should I say. Now, let's move on to some of their collagen bars, because they do have a variety of flavours. So we've got choc peanut butter, cashew shortbread, double choc, lemon tart, peanut butter. I wonder how that tastes compared to just the peanut butter, and a hazelnut brownie. All having different, varying degrees of protein and collagen. So 9 grams, 11 grams, 11 grams. But yeah, the protein varies pretty wildly, but then again, it is just a matter of grams as well. So 15, 15, 17, 14, 15, 14. Okay, let's crack some open and have a look. So starting with peanut butter. As you can see here, it is like a very bar sort of crumbly sort of thing. So going in for the taste test. Very sweet. Like, nice. Very smooth in your mouth as well. Like, it just falls away in your mouth, melts in your mouth sort of thing. Oh, aftertaste wise, there's a little bit of something there. There's a little, but, you know, still, once again, better than some of the alternatives out there, because there's no added sugar or no sugar alcohols in there. So 0 artificial thickness, sweetness, fillers, or sugar alcohols. Do they actually just have sugar in there? There's monk fruit, organic maple syrup. So some of the ingredients, so you got cashews in this one, the lemon tart one, 61%. Comparing ingredients here, what have we got here? Cashews, peanuts and cashews in this one, being peanut butter, of course. Contains cashews, yep. Other tree nuts, yep, cool. MCT oil powder as well. Coconut-based acacia fibre, sea fibre. Halal grass-fed bovine collagen. And I would say that is, yep, all of them, 18% in this one, 25% in this one. Yeah, so pretty well good for the ingredients. And if we have a look at the lemon tart, once again, much more of a bar sort of thing. Snaps right off easy. You can definitely taste the lemon in that. That's actually really nice. If you like lemony sort of products, that's actually really, really nice. It sort of sweetens up at the end, but it's not like a chemical sort of aftertaste, so it should be pretty right with that. Actually, that's quite a nice taste in your mouth, actually. And then we have our hazelnut brownie, which once again looks like a bar. Grab a little bit of that off. Oh yeah, you can actually see it's got hazelnuts in there. Which, so it should. Takes a little while for the flavour to come through on that one. But once again, not bad. Not bad at all. That one has a little bit more of an aftertaste, which I'm not real keen on. But still, compared to some other products that I've had, like protein bars and such, still not a bad thing. Okay, we've got 3 left. Let's go cashew shortbread. No, let's go double choc. Because then we've got 2 chocolatey ones in a row. Even though this is 2 chocolatey ones in a row. So our double choc. Oh, hello, this is a bit different. This is a bit different. So this is like a chocolate coated bar. You can sort of see, I'll have to get a knife out to crack this bad boy. Oh wow. Oh, what's happened there? Okay, well the chocolate coating's just crumbled off. That is very, very crumbly. Nice tasting though. And then for the whole bit, yep, once again, very, very nice. Oh yeah, that one could become very moreish, very addictive. Let it sit for a bit. What's that one? 14 grams. That one doesn't taste too bad at all. No bad aftertaste. That one, you'd be okay with. Then coming up, we've got our cashew shortbread. That one might be my favourite so far. The one that I think a lot of people will favour. It's got a very strong flavour for it. A lot of these, their flavour's there, but you can tell it's a more natural sort of stuff where, yeah, no artificial flavours or anything have been used, so the flavour's not as strong as your commercial brands of stuff. A bit of cashew shortbread. And once again, you can see, if you can, if I put it up here, you got little bits of nut and stuff in there as well. Once again, teeth just slide straight through it. That one is a bit more gluggy than some of the others. I don't mind that. Very sweet, that one. A lot sweeter than some of the others. It gives you that, produces a lot more saliva in your mouth sort of feeling. Still very nice though. Like, all of these have tasted fantastic so far. Let's see if our chopped peanut butter can live up to the expectations, because we're down to our last one. Once again, we've got a chocolate coated bar, and it's not incredibly hot where I am, so this, the fact that some of these have got melted bits on them as well, is a little bit, I wouldn't say frightening, but worrying to a degree that, yeah, if you are in a hotter climate, these might make a mess, these ones. So the double choc and the chopped peanut butter one. But this one's a little bit different. Yeah, I can already start to feel some sort of residue on my hands from holding this one. Can't really see any melting occurring, but you can sort of feel that, like there's something there. But this one's, yep, got a little bit of a different thing to it. So I wonder if, no, that tastes complete. Just got a bit of the peanut bit. There is a little bit of difference between the peanut butter and the chopped peanut butter. You can definitely get that strong chocolatey taste from the outside coating of the chocolate there. And what have we got? 9 grams collagen, 11, 14, 17. The actual peanut butter one has a lot more of the good stuff in it. Whereas this one's got 9 and 14, you've got 11 and 17.2, which might be the strongest out of all of them. 15.7, 15.6, 15.7, yeah, which it is for whatever reason. So the peanut butter one, if you're after the massive gains and all the good stuff in it, that's better bang for your buck, so to speak. But if, yeah, you're after taste-wise, double choc has to be a clear winner there, I think. Although they all taste good, you're not going to be unsatisfied if you have some of these. So, and even going back to the jerky, that was something that I would find myself going for, with no harsh preservatives or anything else as well. It'd be perfect for if you're sitting down watching a movie or a sports event. They'd be perfect to sit down, have with. But these little bars, these are your perfect thing on the run. If you're working a hard, busy day and you're going all the time, they'd be fantastic to just have a whole box of them, because they do come in a variety of different. So this all came in this box. This was just a sample box, so to speak. And yeah, great. I love it. I'd actually get more just the sample boxes just to have that wide variety. So each day I could grab a different bar as I'm going if I don't have time for lunch. Yeah, then you get all the jerky products as well with that as well. So you can try them, have them sitting there for the weekend, for a sports game, if you're going on a road trip or something like that as well. Perfect little snack. The only thing I don't like about this is that the bags are not resealable. So once they're open, it's like finish the whole thing or get it exposed to that oxygen, which you don't want, and the moisture in the air as well. So that's a bit of a pain in the butt. And yeah, just how damn ugly these beef bars look. Oh, there's an oxygen absorber in there as well for each beef bar. So if we can get, you can tell that they're nice and fibrous meat, but yeah, like a little bit of a dangleberry on that one. But that doesn't detract from their taste. That is a bit of chief Organics, Chief bars, Chief Collagen. I'll leave a link down below, guys. This is totally not endorsed, not sponsored by them. This is just my honest opinion on what I think is a great product. And if you're Aussie, or if they do ship internationally, I'm not sure, jump out and grab them. Great meal alternative, something healthy, something to help you lose a bit of weight, keep you fuller for longer with the collagen protein in there as well. And something great to actually enjoy rather than some of the more bland, crappy, or more chemically induced products. Okay, so they've got a .com, so maybe they do ship internationally. We are chief.com or chief.nutrition on Instagram. Reach out, have a look, see if the prices even suit you. They are very reasonable, I feel, for their products, so jump on, have a look, and yeah, that's just a product that I believe in and that I've been lucky enough to find and have a go at. So that's it for this one, guys. Remember to share, like, comment, subscribe on this video. I'm Rob Murphy, and I'll see you in the next video.